Let's see how you can find or create your sound assets for your game. The first website is freesound.org. It includes thousands of free sounds that you can use in your game, as well as other sounds like background, ambience sounds, or things like that. Just search for any sound that you want before downloading and using it in your game. Make sure to check out the license and see if you can use it freely in your game. Again, check out the video about licenses to learn more. The next website is Zapsplat. As you can see, it has over 98,000 sounds and music tracks that you can download for free. You have to, however, register on their website to download these sounds, and there is a limitation of 5 or 6 sounds that you can download per hour, but it's not a huge penalty. If you really need to download more songs, you can always pay for the gold subscription on their website. Besides the sources that you need for downloading your sounds, you need software to edit the sounds that you want. Audacity is one of these tools that is free and easy to use. It has a lot of cool features like removing noise and adding some effects. It can also merge two sounds or two sound effects together. It's a cool software. I suggest you take a look at it. If you own an Apple's MacBook or an iPad, GarageBand is a cool software to create some awesome music. There is this feature called Apple Loops, and there are pieces of music that you can merge together to create a sound or a music for your game. There's another cool software. It's called Buzz-Q-Al. It says that on their website, if I'm pronouncing right. It's a great tool for creating some classical 8-bit kind of music for your video games. Of course, you can do anything with it, but in my experience, it goes so well with this genre of music.